So the Woods Institute for the Environment was started 6 years ago. And what the Woods Institute does is really to bring together faculty and students from around the university to combine our expertise to actually try to come up with lasting and practical solutions to environmental challenges.
So imagine you're on the Letterman show and this is the top 10 ways to become involved in environmental sustainability activities at Stanford, starting with number 10. We have a VPU, a Vice Provost funded graduate education program, which is headed up by Terry Root. And every summer, we sponsor 10 students to work with faculty on an environmental problem. Lots of opportunities to do research and potential for funding too.
It sounds really intimidating to get started in an undergrad research project, but it's really a lot easier than you might think. I started off taking the biosphere class, one of the Earth Systems core classes, and really thought some of the stuff that one of the professors, Kevin Arrigo, was talking about was really interesting. And so I went to talk to him and ended up spending a summer on campus working in a remote sensing lab doing a remote sensing project. And so I ended up the next year, this past summer, going with on a project supported by the Woods Institute to the Arctic Ocean on an icebreaker. So I went with my lab and Professor Kevin Arrigo for 40 days and just got to know the ship and what oceanography is like.
There's a ton of opportunities to get involved with student groups, grad and undergrad. If you're interested in a student group or you have a project in mind, then apply for the Milena grant. We've been supported by Woods beforehand, and we actually got the Milena grant last year for the past 2 years to support our class and projects. So if you're interested in joining a group, Gaia, we formed it because there's at least 8 groups that are focused on sustainability. So I'm sure you'll find one that fits your needs or your passions.
Well, the one thing that's important is you use whatever you're majoring in here to help solve the major environmental challenges that we face around the world today.